Hello dear students, this is part 2 of chapter number 3, more on Paint 3D. In previous video I explained you how to add stickers to canvas. Now our next topic is selecting a sticker. You can make changes to the sticker that you have inserted in the Paint 3D canvas. Students, in Paint 3D you can make any changes to the sticker. Now the question is what you can change? You can change the size, position, orientation and appearance of the sticker. Before you make any significant change to the sticker, it is necessary to select the sticker first. If you want to make any changes to the sticker, you have to select it first. Okay? The select tool placed just below the top menu is used to select a sticker. Which tool is used to select a sticker? Answer is select tool. Okay? Now I show you how you can select a sticker. First of all, add the sticker sun to the canvas. Now select the stickers icon first. Here it is, click on it. Now choose the sticker sun. Now put it on your canvas. Click on the canvas and drag your mouse like this. Okay? Now to select a sticker, click on the select tool. Here it is. It is placed just below the top menu. Now click and drag your mouse to select an object. Once the object is selected, you can see a rectangle with dotted line will appear around the sticker. See my cursor? This is the dotted line. Our next topic is moving a sticker. After adding the desired sticker, you can always change the position and size of the sticker by dragging its edge. If you want to make any changes to the sticker, then you can do it easily by dragging its edge. Now I will explain you how to move a sticker by copying and pasting it. First of all, insert the sticker sun into canvas. Select the sticker sun. Now click and drag your mouse on the canvas to add a sticker. After that, save your file, go to the menu. Here it is. Click on save option. Now select Paint 3D project. Write your file name here. After writing your file name, click on Save in Paint 3D. This is how we save our file. Now select the sticker using Select tool from the top menu. Here is the Select tool. Now select your sticker. After this, you can see there are some options at the right. Now select copy button under the edit option. Here it is. Now click on the paste button. The new copy of the selected sticker will be placed over the pre-existing sticker. Select the inserted sticker and drag and drop it at the new location like this. Hope you understand, dear students. Our next topic is deleting a sticker. Now I show you how to delete a sticker in Paint 3D. To delete a sticker, select the sticker first by using the select tool from the top menu. Here is the sticker tool. Now select your sticker. Once a sticker has been selected, you can click on the delete icon under the edit option. Here is the delete icon. You have to click on it. See, now our sticker is deleted from the canvas. That's all for the day, dear students. Thank you and have a nice day.